applications like machine, computer, and smartphone. The advantage of ITLE is to create collaboration between students and education that promote teamwork and communication skills. ITLE is a subject that requires deep understanding and it teaches the number system as well as the things about technology. It also technology keeps getting smarter and changing how we live and work. GPT. The disadvantage of ITLE is that technology have technical issues, network outage capability issues, disrupting learning processes.
Come on, push, let's go, that's what I'm talking about.
A number system is a system of writing to express numbers. It is the mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. ITLE or the Instructional Technology and Learning Environment typically provides support, resources, and training to help educators effectively use technology in the classroom. And also, ITLE aims to enhance the learning experiences through innovative technological approaches. The most commonly used ones are the decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal number system. Not all students have equal access to technology and high-speed internet at home. One of the benefits of ITLE is that it enhances the skills of the students to critical thinking. ITLE requires deeper understanding of the topic, and it helps the students to concentrate in